another way to use it is just like this. So I'm resting my elbow on the armrest. You can do this in front of the couch. And we're just working it really wherever it's tight. Twist it if you want to. This one's quite good for jaw. Just resting that elbow there. Paying attention to where's tight, where needs work. Reverse it. Overhand here, underhand here. Just jiggling it around in the muscle where you're tight. Again, you can do it in your neck. Nod the neck up and head, sorry, nod the head up and down. That's good.